welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Adobe Flash Player in Windows. To start off with, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on Install Now, and you now need to go Save File. Once the file has finished saving, you now need to run the setup file. And you now have three options to choose from. You can allow Adobe to install updates automatically, or we can get notified when there's new updates or never check for updates. I like to allow Adobe just to install the updates automatically. You now need to go Next, and it will begin to install Adobe Flash Player. Once it has finished installing, you will then have Flash Player on all the web browsers you have installed on your computer. And that is it. You now need to close down any web browsers you are currently using, and once you have, you can then go ahead and press Finish. And it will now open up your default web browser, and straight away, as you can see, it's detected Adobe Flash Player in the current web browser I'm using, which this one is UR web browser. And that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.